What is the blue economy? Well, first of all, we should say what the blue economy is not. It's not the green economy. And why don't I want the green economy? Because the green economy is still fitting in the old traditional economic market model whereby we compete globally by producing things very cheap. Now, if you want to produce cheap, then you're going to have to cut corners, environmental corners and social corners. And so how can you ever have a green economy that is responding to people's needs when you have to be cheap? So the result is that whatever we have in the green economy, what is good for you and good for the environment, is actually a green economy that is expensive, because it can't be the cheapest, because you do take care of the environment and you do take care of social matters and the community and the society, and so therefore you must be more expensive. But if your green economy is more expensive than the other economy, then you're only for the rich. And that's why we needed to have the blue economy. The blue economy where we work with what we have. We focus on responding to basic needs with what we have, and we will generate more and more value. And by generating more value with what we have, we will be able to respond to all these basic needs. And we're substituting efficiency with resilience. Now we can build up communities because they have all basic needs met. And since you have multiple benefits and multiple revenues from the same, all at once, things will turn out to be cheaper. You can even decide that some of the things that are very important in society can be for free. The blue economy is focusing on responding to needs. Be resilient so that you can be happy and healthy.